The task is optical character recognition OCR. So first of all, we will import all the necessary modules. We will set the environment parameters so that these modules do not interfere with each other. And we will select the installation location for Pytesseract. First, let's select an image. So this is an image. As you can see that the image has inconsistent backgrounds with different colors. So let's apply OCR on this image using the module Pytesseract. You can see that the output is not that accurate because of the inconsistent backgrounds. We will try using the another module, that is EasyOCR, which is found to have more accuracy. Let's initialize the reader object with English language, as you can see here in the documentation. readText method returns the list of tuples. These tuples have the location where the text is found. You can see that OCR is awesome is found within this bounding rectangle or bounding box. This snippet of code converts all the text found to a single string. Let's see a few more examples. This third image has a lot of noise, so it should be difficult for both the modules to predict the text. As you can see, A is predicted as R because of the noise. As you can see, somewhat of noise has affected even the EasyOCR. Thank you.